In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Mozilla Firefox and restore it to default settings. First, open Firefox. Once you are on the home page, click the three lines in the upper right corner to open the menu. Next, click Help, then select More Troubleshooting Information. After that, click Refresh Firefox. A small window will appear saying that Firefox will be restored to its default settings. Click Refresh Firefox again to confirm. The browser will restart automatically. Once it reopens, click Done, then click Continue. You will see a success message. Click Let's Go, and you will be back in the browser. And that's it! That's how you reset Mozilla Firefox and restore it to default settings.